YouTube, back at it again. Do not have so much power remaining. Do a little stroll now. Dinsdag, Tuesday, Monday, Tuesday, we're gonna see if the bridge is free. Then we go do some work. Lights on, seat belts on. I only got 6% on my Osmo. Excuse me, and it's 9 o'clock in the evening. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Red. Oh, she's gonna cut out. Only 6%. When I left, it was 25. Well, guys, for how long it lasts, it's gonna last. Not that long, I think. Dus dinsdag, Tuesday, resonators. We take a look under the car. We made a plan. We're gonna take the right way, it's the fast way. Still got some coffee in my pot. I wanted to do it for 6 September. 6 September there's gonna be a meeting over here in Rijtesten for allemaal Mercedes. Van der Poel Mercedes meeting. Gonna go there. ASMR evening drive, boys and girls. Driving finish. Don't know how, don't know why. What have we got there, boys and girls? It's like a very bad Mustang fastback. Don't know if it is. Looks like a fast modern car. You tell me, some sort of SUV. Some sort of a transformer car. What is it? Infinity car with a strange logo. A new type of Japanese Fuyung-hai car. Probably electric. Okay. Put on the heating.